Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Today we're going to walk you through a simple and essential task, transferring money between your own Bank of America accounts. This is a common need, whether you're moving funds from a checking account to a savings account, or vice versa, and Bank of America makes the process straightforward through their online banking and mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Log in to your Bank of America account. First, you'll need to access your account. You can do this by either visiting the Bank of America website and logging in with your user ID and passcode, opening the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone or tablet, and logging in. 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once you're logged in, look for a transfer or transfers option. On the website, it's typically a tab or a button at the top of the page. In the mobile app, you'll usually find it in the main menu, often located in the bottom navigation bar, or a hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines. 3. Select the accounts for the transfer. You'll be prompted to choose 2 accounts. From, this is the account the money will be coming out of, to, this is the account the money will be going into. Since you're transferring between your own accounts, both will be listed under your name. Simply select the correct accounts from the drop-down menus. 4. Enter the transfer amount. Type in the exact amount of money you wish to transfer. Double-check the amount to ensure it's correct. 5. Choose the transfer date. Optional. Most transfers between your own Bank of America accounts happen instantly. However, you may have the option to schedule the transfer for a future date. This is useful if you want to set up a recurring transfer, for example, moving a fixed amount to your savings every payday. 6. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the transfer, a summary screen will appear. This screen will show the from account, the to account, the amount to be transferred, the effective date of the transfer. Review all the details carefully. If everything looks correct, click or tap the Transfer, Confirm or Submit button. 7. Receive confirmation. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that the transfer was successful. You may also receive an email or text notification, depending on your account settings. That's all there is to it. Moving money between your Bank of America accounts is a quick, secure, and hassle-free process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel.